Getting out early in the morning to look for insects, to water deeply, let your eyes rest. See what's happening with your tomatoes. Look for flowers. That's a great sign that you're going to have future tomatoes on that branch. And you can begin to diagnose anything that looks off with your tomatoes. Any webbing? Do you see any frass? We have some of that going on this morning at Zilker Botanical, and we're going to take a closer look. We have holes in leaves. Here we see we've got some frass on the tops of some leaves. So with frass, this is caterpillar poop. So we can begin to look on the backs of leaves. We can begin to look on stems. As we travel this way, we have some big poop. And we also have some stems that have just been defoliated. I mean, this is a big caterpillar, probably a hornworm. So let your eye rest. We start just looking down the stems, looking down the stems, looking down the stems, and boom. Look what we have here. Well disguised. We find the stripes. The sheer size of this, we know that this is a hornworm. This guy pulls off easily. You can feed it to your chickens, but it will defoliate your tomato. So if you only have one, go ahead and pick that off. Here also we see some leaves that are starting to look burned. The rest of the tomato plant looks healthy. So as we go in and look a little bit closer, we can absolutely see it right here with the webbing, and we can see the spider mites in the webbing. Spray this with seaweed. Seaweed is our #1 organic first defense against spider mites. As you're out early in the morning, watering deeply, look for leaf-footed insects. They are a group of insects that especially like tomatoes, and they're very slow moving early in the morning. They are easy to pick off with your hands. Throw in a cup of soapy water. You can feed those to your chickens, but get them off your tomatoes. They will make little holes in your tomatoes. They are easily picked off. Good to get them out of there before you have an infestation.